Today, we are putting two top contenders to the test, the Hankook Winter cept RS3 and the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005. Both claim to offer top-tier winter performance, but which one truly dominates the winter roads? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Winter cept RS3 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance, crucial for safety in rainy winter conditions. The Blizzak LM005 stops 0.9 meters shorter in wet braking, providing better control in sudden stop. It also completes wet handling laps 1.8 seconds quicker, delivering superior grip and precision turns. Subjectively, the Blizzak LM005 scores 10 out of 10, while the cept RS3 follow closely with 8.5 out of 10. However, the cept RS3 resists aquaplaning better, slipping only at 81.8 km per hour compared to the LM005 at 80 km per hour. Next, snow performance, where winter tires must prove their worth. The Blizzak LM005 stops 2.2 meters shorter in snow braking, enhancing safety in emergency situations. However, the cept RS3 accelerates 0.2 seconds faster in snow traction, giving it a slight edge when pulling away on snow-covered roads. In snow handling, the cept RS3 laps 2.6 seconds quicker, providing better control and maneuverability. Subjectively, the cept RS3 scores a perfect 10 out of 10, while the Blizzak LM005 follows with 9 out of 10. Dry roads still play a role in winter driving. Here, the cept RS3 stops 1.6 meters shorter in dry braking, offering better emergency stopping power. Meanwhile, the Blizzak LM005 completes dry handling laps just a minor 0.5 seconds faster, indicating slightly better cornering stability. Subjectively, the Blizzak LM005 scores a 9 out of 10 rating, while the cept RS3 follows with an 8.5 rating. Fuel efficiency matters too. The Blizzak LM005 leads with a 10% lower rolling resistance, reducing fuel consumption. Comfort-wise, it also excels with a perfect 10 out of 10 score, compared to the 9 out of 10 for the cept RS3. The Blizzak LM005 is also 0.7 dB quieter, ensuring a more refined drive. Mileage is a key factor for long-term value. The Blizzak LM005 lasts 2% longer, covering 50,548 km, compared to the 49,709 km for the cept RS3. So, which one should you choose? The Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 dominates in wet performance, comfort, and rolling resistance, making it ideal for drivers prioritizing wet safety and ride quality. On the other hand, the Hankook cept RS3 excels in snow traction, snow handling, and dry braking, making it a better choice for those facing frequent snowy conditions.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.